Hopefully you've enjoyed what you've seen so far on the channel, and I just thought I'd introduce you to a new feature which I've added recently. It's called Learn Web Scraping, and if you go to the link on the main red and green page, Learn Web Scraping, don't be put off by the mention of jQuery. This is a test to see if you can use Python to get the data. So what we've done is we've used some various different methods of getting information into a web page, and the main feature of these tutorials is not to use Beautiful Soup and not to try and just pass the HTML. So there's a little clue there, and well, I've provided some hints. I think this is like one of those things when you're at school and you get a very short question, but you know that the answer probably takes half an hour. So yeah, challenge one, jQuery and get. How would you get the data from an API using Python? So this click button here, let me just zoom in, make it a little bit more. I know some people watch videos and things on mobile phones, don't they? It's just me being old-fashioned, and I think everybody watches on a fancy computer. But click me, jQuery API, click that. You need to click it once, and you get some red writing appear. Where does that come from? Well, there's a few clues, but as you've already read about jQuery and so on, so I'm not going to tell you how to do it because that'll spoil it, that defeats the object. But yeah, you've got to get a hint here. And I'm not even going to click that because really you need to just use your initiative, use your basic or use your existing web scraping skills and see if you can work it out from there. Enough said. Challenge 2, jQuery and JSON stringify. Again, I'm giving you some clues, but I'm not kind of, this is not a tutorial, it's challenge. So eventually I will provide a video explanation to each of these challenges. How would you access JSON and scrape it? So the click me button, this one, is using jQuery $.get. But can you work out how to scrape the same data using Python? So by clicking this, some text appears, and it's what is the currency of the Åland Islands? So that's the answer. That's the answer to the question. But really the challenge is, can you work out where that text comes from? And also, can you scrape it using Python? I'm not telling you how to do it, or you can do it however you wish, but use Python. And challenge 3, identify the secret text and get it with Python. So find some more content, i.e. text, for making use of the button below. Get the text with Python once you have identified it. Click me. And nothing appears to happen, but that's also part of the challenge. Rest assured, something did happen, and it's your job to find out what happened and to extract it. And again, use Python. So I hope this has been, I hope it's given you an introduction into what's available on the red and green site. Learn web scraping. So the best way to learn is obviously to try and solve problems. And I've given you 3 challenges, problems, call them what you will. So yeah, enjoy. Hope you get on. Leave some comments if you get stuck. And really just, yeah, if you need the hint, use the hint. But don't try and do it without. Until next time.